Thanks for clicking this video, and here is Tech. So if you want to know how you can also convert your airtime that you have on your phone to your mobile money, okay, so let's say you have airtime and then you want to convert to mobile money, check in the comment section and then click on it to watch that video as well after you've watched this one. So now let's look at how you can send airtime from one phone to another phone right here on this channel. Let's start with it, and if you want to subscribe to this channel for more videos from here and like this video as well. Let's go into it right now. Okay, so now let's check our balance to see the amount that we have so that it will serve as a proof. Okay, so now we have 10 cedis airtime. Okay, we are going to transfer 5 cedis airtime. Yes, so we are going to just share the airtime on this SIM card with another SIM card. And take note that I am using MTN network to do this. Okay, so if in case you use Vodafone or any other network, just give it a try and then come back and comment below. So when you comment, others too will get to know that the code is working for other network. Okay, so this is the code that you're going to enter on your SIM card. Okay, so just go to your dialer and dial this code *198# and then call the code. So when you call the code, then you come to 1, activate. Then you enter a new pin. So you just have to enter a new pin and then you continue a 4-digit pin. Okay, then you enter it again, and now you can see you have now activated me to use services. Welcome. So now let's go back, let's enter the code again, and then let's call the code again. Now you're going to transfer, and then you enter the number that you're going to send the airtime to. So let me enter a number right here, and please give this video a like or subscribe if you need more videos from us. Okay, so after entering the number, then you just continue with the steps, and you're going to enter the amount that you're going to send. So just as I said, 5 cedis, and now decimal value. This place is very tricky, so they're asking you that so let's say if you are sending 5 cedi 50 pesos or 5 cedi 20 pesos, the 20 pesos, the 20 will be a value. So here just enter 00 as the value. Okay, and now you enter the pin of the SIM card. Okay, the one that we just set, just enter the pin that you just set. Okay, and then let's continue. So you can see that confirm, transfer to, and then the number will come. Then enter 1 to confirm, 2 to reject. So you just verify the number again, and then just tap 1 to confirm. So just tap on 1, and then you can see you have successfully transferred 5 cedis to the number on March 16, 2023, and the charge is 10 pesos. So they also take some charges for transferring this airtime from one SIM card to the other one. Okay, so there is it. Now let's check our balance to see as we just started to serve as a proof. So now you can see 5 cedis airtime right here. And now let me show you on the other SIM card what I saw on the other SIM card. So this is how you can just transfer airtime from one phone or one SIM card to the other one. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to this channel for more videos from here. Also check on the screen and learn more from us. See you again. Bye for now.